Hi, we're talking with Scott Weidenfeller of Taqua today. Scott, how are you?
Doing good. How you doing?
Good, thanks. Good to see you. So, Taqua's been involved in many things lately. Things seem to be going well. One of which is a solution called MobileWorks.
Right.
Maybe you can tell our viewers a little about what MobileWorks is.
MobileWorks is basically a next-gen wireless solution, the complete solution for GSM or CDMA. Okay. And it's the ability to go in and replace your existing legacy wireless infrastructure, your core network and your radio and so forth. And actually at this show we're announcing the capability to take a Wi-Fi, a dual mode phone. This happens to be a BlackBerry, but we're showing the iPhone in our booth. Okay. The ability to roam inside a Wi-Fi hotspot like this building, for example, and make a call over the Wi-Fi connection. And then when you go outside the building, you can actually roam onto the cellular network.
So now, does the cellular provider aware of what's going on inside the network? You're sort of eliminating them from that leg of the...
You're hijacking their network, basically.
Right.
And really, the problem we're trying to solve there is that we were brainstorming and debating, okay, how can a wireline carrier that doesn't have spectrum participate in wireless? And basically, Wi-Fi, we think, is the way for them to do it. And offer a service and get a piece of the wireless business, basically.
Sure, and it helps them keep their customers, right? Give them another service, that type of thing.
And the customers get a better sort of quality of service, because a lot of times, like right now, this cell phone is complete crap inside this building.
Right.
But over a Wi-Fi hotspot, the quality's a lot better.
Okay, understood. Now, on another front, you guys also just recently announced a new channel partner. Is that correct?
Yes. EIT up in Canada, which is a pretty well-respected integrator up in Canada. And again, you think about the problem we're trying to solve there is that we want to get closer to the customers up in Canada.
Sure.
And provide, in terms of account support and also tier 1 support for those guys, somebody a little bit closer to them. And they've got a good relationship with a number of these carriers anyway. So it's just a very, very good fit.
Good. Now, do you have to provide training to your channel partners, that type of thing?
Absolutely. Yeah. Complete training and backing them up 110%, that kind of thing. So it's a real similar model that we've got going on with Broadworks, where we're the partner with BroadSoft,
right?
And they provide full backup to us, but we do all the tier 1 support and the storefront essentially.
Okay, very good. Now, in terms of, the big question on everyone's mind these days is the economy,
Right.
and what are your prospects for 2009? How are you guys approaching the coming year?
First of all, our fourth quarter, which shocked me because I'm looking at Armageddon in the financial markets.
Sure.
We had record orders, revenues, gross margins, and OPEX in the fourth quarter. First quarter looks to be even stronger. So, the only message here is I don't think it's anything necessarily we're doing per se, but this market, it seems to be pretty vibrant, the small to medium-sized carriers.
Right.
I think they're taking advantage of the time and they're investing. And in some cases, they've got equipment that is suspect in their network, and they've got to do something and get on with replacing it and having more of a stable platform.
Right. Yeah, it seems that in times of financial strife, customers and end customers want to cling to good service, but for a lower cost.
Right.
And I guess carriers see that opportunity, and in order to offer them those services, they're looking to folks like Taqua.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think between our wireless solutions and our relationship with BroadSoft and the type of services we can offer there, we've got a pretty good portfolio of product and solutions where carriers in 2009, I think, are going to take advantage of this, add that to their network because they want to get more revenue and lower their costs. So, we see great prospects for 2009.
Excellent. Well, Scott, thanks for taking the time to speak with us today. It's a pleasure as always.